Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 signs that we have outgrown our friends or we are in the process of outgrowing our friends. Now, when we outgrow our friends, there are certain signs that we must look for, and we must understand that okay, we are in the process of outgrowing our friends or we have already outgrown them. The first sign is that we feel drained around them. Now, what do I mean by this? So when we initially started being friends with them or with that person, we had a certain mindset and certain way of thinking. So when we evolve and when we are in the process of self-development, what happens is we do not feel the same way. So we develop a new mindset and we develop a new way of living. So it does not match with what we were when we were initially friends with them. So think about it this way. It's almost like at that time we were a different person and now we are a different person after evolving or in the process of evolution. So when this happens, we in a way feel drained around them because our mindset doesn't match and we can feel certain things which we didn't feel before. So when it comes to outgrowing friends, we must understand this is the first sign that we feel drained around them and we do not feel a connection with them like what we did when we just started being friends with them. Things change over time and that's completely okay. It's completely okay to outgrow your friends because then we'll be meeting new friends. Now the third sign that we've outgrown our friends or we're in the process of outgrowing our friends is that we do not share much with them. So we do not share our personal life or we do not share what we used to share with them. So think of it this way. Maybe we had certain things about us which we shared with them in the past and we felt comfortable sharing it with them and we were totally engrossed and totally into the conversation and we were explaining our life and we were explaining our point of view and all sorts of things. Basically sharing a lot. So when we change our mindset, we realize that okay, maybe this person doesn't match how I'm thinking and I don't feel comfortable sharing it with them. So it's almost like we do not feel comfortable sharing things with them anymore and we in a way want to be in our own space and share it with people maybe who resonate more with us or maybe understand us at a deeper level. Because when we change, our whole way of living changes and it might not match up to the way we were living with our friend or being around them or sharing things with them. It just keeps changing as we change. So this is an important sign that we do not share as much as we used to share with them. Now the fourth sign that shows us that we've outgrown our friends or we are in the process of outgrowing our friends is that we in a way pretend to be the old version of us. So when we meet our friend after a long time and we in a way feel that okay, we should kind of be the old version of us and how we were so that they still continue talking to us or so that they still like us and we have that match. But what I'm saying is that when we do that, we pretend to be the old version of ourselves. That's not actually who we are. We are just trying to recollect all the memories and behave the way we were with them in the past. So this is a major sign that we've outgrown our friendships, is that we pretend to be the old version of us just to keep that friendship alive, not realizing that it's time to let it go. It's very hard, but it's definitely time to let go when we are pretending to be the old version of ourselves in front of our friend just because we want to show that okay, we have a match. Now the fifth sign that shows us that we've outgrown our friendships or we are in the process of outgrowing our friendships is that we do not feel excited to meet them or we do not feel excited to have a conversation or in a way we do not want to mingle so much with them. So think of it this way. When we had become friends with them initially in the past, we were very excited to be around them. We were very excited to get to know them better. We were very excited to be a part of their life or in a way be around them most of the times and have that fun conversation. But now it doesn't excite us after we've outgrown them. It doesn't excite us. We do not feel comfortable. We feel awkward around them. We do not feel quite good being around them. We do not feel that excitement and that happiness meeting them, or that excitement or happiness when we talk to them. That level of excitement and happiness and is missing. Think about it this way, it's missing. And this is a major sign to look for, and I'm going to give another bonus sign. So the sixth sign that we've outgrown our friendships is that whenever we meet them, or whenever we talk to them, or whenever we're around them, we're out of alignment. Think of it this way, we are out of alignment, we're not being our true selves, and this is affecting our life because it's literally very draining and it's slowly finishing us off. So when we realize that we're drained and we're out of alignment, we must realize that we've outgrown this friendship. It's almost like we feel certain blocks within us when we are talking to them, or within us when we are around them. It's almost like our body can feel that energy, and it's like, no, not anymore kind of feeling. We are out of alignment, and that's very draining for our mental health, and it's very bad for our emotional health as well. So when we feel out of alignment or when we feel drained, we must realize that this is a very important sign. I spoke about drained in the beginning, but this is more to do with alignment as well. So the sixth one is alignment. When we feel our friendship is bringing us out of alignment and we are not our true selves, we need to leave it immediately and we need to let it go. Don't have ill feelings, just let it go. And all I'm saying to this video is that when we learn to recognize these signs, our life will be much simpler. Yes, it will be scary at first, but then we will realize that okay, this is not meant for us, and we are meant for other people, and the people who are meant to be in our life will come in and we won't even have to try. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and comment below, and let me know if you have any suggestions. And until next time, peace, much love.